Up until this point, lower courts like district courts and appeals courts have issued rulings regarding DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency, and President Trump's efforts to downsize the federal government. But that will soon change, with the highest court in the land expected to soon issue rulings that could impact DOGE's future. President Trump and his administration hoping for different outcomes than what lower courts have decided. The Supreme Court may, in the coming days, announce at least temporary rulings impacting recently terminated diversity, equity, and inclusion grants of the Department of Education. Another possible decision from the High Court will involve thousands of probationary employees that were recently fired across 6 government agencies. Was President Trump and his senior team legally allowed to make those decisions? That question is before the court. The pending Supreme Court decision is happening as layoffs continue across the federal government. Secretary of Health and Human Services Robert F. Kennedy Jr. terminated around 10,000 employees earlier this week across various health agencies, and other government departments have once again announced another round of buyout offers. Questions about DOGE and the Department of Government Efficiency's future also includes what role will Elon Musk play going forward. Up until this point, Musk has been very involved, but on Tuesday,
all right, Wisconsin,
he suffered a defeat in Wisconsin State Supreme Court race, a race he poured millions of dollars into supporting the Republican-backed candidate. Musk's loss there is leaving some to ponder if Musk's influence in American politics is waning. President Trump also said this in recent days about Musk's long-term involvement at the White House.
At some point, he's going to be going back. He wants to.
You want to keep him around?
But I'd keep him as long as I could keep him.
Now, Musk is technically classified as a temporary government employee with a cap of 130 days. That would suggest a possible departure or at least a more limited role sometime toward the end of May. Joe St. George, Scripps News Group, Washington.